business owners, coaches, authors, consultants, small businesses, entrepreneurs, thought leaders, course creators, nonprofits, stop being the best kept secret. Your live stream is your digital storefront. I repeat, your live stream is your digital storefront. There's simply no better way to go from busy and broke to peaceful and paid than for your ideal customers to see your genius on display live. On this channel, I give you step-by-step guides and practical tutorials for do-it-yourself video marketers. Everything I provide as a done-for-you service in my business, I share them here. So whether it's optimizing your studio setup, gaining clarity on your target audience and value proposition, taking your on-camera presence to the next level, or how and when to hire a producer to push all the buttons so you can be great. That's what this channel is all about. I'm Kirk Nugent, and I'd love to be your live video coach. Let's build your brand with live video.